La 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 la. I'd like to kill. Hello everyone, it is I, Nightmare Toy Marty. And welcome back to another Ratchet Let's Play. Now, to be honest, I have no idea where I'm going. Maybe just take this thing back? Oh yeah, we do. Back to the city. Yeah, I'm the other nightmare animatronic that actually climbs in your closet in the middle of the night and trying to jump scare you. So I believe now we're going this way. Oh gosh, I fell off. Oh, I seriously have to go all the way back up there? Oh, I have to jump all the way back over there. That's stupid. If you don't mess with me, I'll just bite your head off. Oh yeah, we do gotta go that way, okay. Now be careful on this part. God dang it, I fell again. Yeah, you get smacked or I'll bite your head off. So that guy, okay, that tank's still at it though. Yeah, Rowan Wolf has been extremely feeling down lately. You probably already know why. Probably because if you don't know who it is, it's Insanity Animations. It's a YouTuber. I'm not going to go into details of why he's angry at her. He's not angry at her. She's just upset of one of her decisions. It's like he's very upset about one of her decisions, and it's been hurting him for the last couple weeks. Even months now. I do feel bad for him. Yeah, we're just going to take this nice and slow. God, what? That was dumb. So now I'm going to use my flamethrower on this area now, too. Let me... God dang it. Why is that so difficult? Okay, not... If I get rid of this tank, maybe it'll be out of my way. Thank you. I mean, it took this about 9 minutes or so now. Oh, maybe we should just keep this on the thing. Oh, so we're not allowed to use weapons? Oh, so we're just going to have to do that. So they only attack when I see me. Okay. Take it slow. No! They did it again! Oh my gosh. It has never been this difficult to ever do a level like this. Sorry guys, I'm not talking a lot. I just gotta concentrate on this level. There we go. Let's just hope there's not more guys on the way. Gotta take it slow here. Yeah, we're about to tip upside down. I already know how to do this. I've done this plenty of times. turn slowly here. Who is this guy? Oh, these are the guys that try to knock me off. It'd be funny if I could actually get this level done today. Hey, come here. Come here, little booger. Okay. Oh, Lord. I got another huge problem. Let's go.
Hey, I know you two.
Look, the plumber's back.
Very funny.
What are you doing here, sir?
Maintenance. What else? I help fix this planet's useless air defenses.
Well, I think you'd better hurry up.
The turret works fine, you little yahoo. It's the locals. They haven't got the skilled manpower to use it.
I'm a pretty good shot.
You? No, I could lose my job.
Oh, come on. What's the sense of keeping up a turret if nobody's gonna use it? Besides, the block chased you off the last planet. Why don't we pay him back?
Well, all right, go on if you want. Just don't...
Well, what time are we at? Okay, I got a few more minutes of this. I will blow people up. I like blowing people up. Actually, I'm more like biting their heads off, because I'm more like biting their heads off, actually.
Well, look who's awake. You're lucky I was here to drag your unconscious keister out of that turret. Good news is, I got the cannon fixed again. Oh, they got grinder boost section. Now would be a perfect time to actually reload our weapons. Hi there, Fuzzball. That's a real beauty.
Okay, I think I might be done. Wait, how much stuff do we got?
I got some great
I don't have enough money for that. Okay, a lot of you. Oh, that's like 1,000 bolts. Okay, I think I'm done. Alright guys, so please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe if you want to see some more. Please subscribe. It really helps us out. Let us know down in the comments below if you want Nightmare Master to do the last Let's Play on this, like, Nightmare animatronic version. And we'll see you guys next... And we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everyone. I'll see you guys later, actually.